Welcome to this episode of Cooking Stuff with BA and JC. I'm BA.
I'm JC.
JC, why do we call it Cooking Stuff with BA and JC?
On year 3, man, keep your fingers crossed, guys. Our wives are going to let us say cooking with BA and JC.
I doubt it.
50-50.
This episode, we're going to be cooking a super simple thing to make that is incredibly delicious. Tri-tip.
Love tri-tip.
In the electric smoker. It's crazy simple. Well, we have a 4.5 pound tri-tip in front of us. First step is super simple. We're gonna season it.
Right.
Salt, pepper, and garlic powder. We're gonna season generously on the outside, and then we're gonna let it set for at least 30 minutes.
Perfect.
Right now is a good time to get your electric smoker preheated to 225. And by the time this is done, sitting, it's time to go in the smoker.
I'm gonna tell you, that smells so good. It smells so good.
I don't put any smoke to it, so we're just heating up in the electric smoker at 225 until the internal temperature reaches about 130, which is the bottom end of medium rare. But this is about 4.5 pounds. It's about 30 minutes per pound for cooking. So we're looking at a little over 2 hours probably. Be back every 45 minutes or so to check on it and make sure the internal temperature doesn't get above 130. As soon as it does, we'll take it out. Now we got an internal temperature of 130 degrees. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna take it over the grill, which is super hot right now. We're gonna sear the outside of it, lock in that juice, then we're gonna take it back in. About 60 seconds, and then we'll flip it. We reached an internal temperature of 130 degrees. Immediately took it over to the grill, which was about 500 degrees. Had it super hot, seared the outside on all sides. Now we brought it in, we need to rest for at least 30 minutes. Technically, after the 30 minutes is up, after it's rested, we can cut into it and start enjoying.
Yes.
But, bonus tip here, we're actually going to resist that, and after the 30 minutes, we're gonna wrap it in foil, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge, and then we're gonna reheat it tomorrow, and it's gonna be the best piece of meat.
It smells phenomenal.
It's gonna be one of the best pieces of meat that you ever tasted.
It smells phenomenal.
Now, we go to the refrigerator, put it in.
Can't wait.
We gotta wait overnight.
I can't wait.
I know, I can't wait either. You know what's unfortunate is that the people at home, it just jump cuts right to the next day, but we actually have to wait.
We actually have to.
So it's the next day, we just put it back in the smoker. I got the thermometer in the meat. We're gonna wait till it heats up to about 115 degrees. Basically, we're just rewarming the meat back up, and then we're gonna cut into it and enjoy. Heated back up in the smoker. It's about 115 internal inside of the foil. Now, we go in and let it set for about 30 minutes. And then we cut into it. Well, it is finally time to give this tri-tip a try.
It looks phenomenal, smells phenomenal.
Maybe even dip it in.
You know I'm going all in on it.
That is a tender piece of meat.
Wow.
Dude.
Super tender.
This is a long cook. Can't deny that.
Right, it is definitely long.
But that right there, is that not good or what?
It's so good. It's tender.
Absolutely tender. The juices that are still in it are out of this world.
Man, crazy, yeah.
We are about to enjoy this.
Lunch.
No one in this room can get it besides John and I.
That's right.
This is ours. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Cooking Stuff with BA and JC. You owe it to yourself to give this a try.
Got to.
See y'all next time.
Cut me.
Y'all made us wait for 2 days. We're supposed to get a bite.
Try dip it in the sauce.
My God.
That's good.